Morning at 6 a.m., woke up at 5, did 30 minutes of fasted low intensity steady state cardio. It was just 3.5 speed, 6.0 incline for the full 30 minutes. Burned about 250 calories. Showered, having our first meal now. Today's gonna be a training day, so later on I'm gonna be training chest, shoulders, and doing some abs and calves. My coach dropped my intake a little bit because after blood work, my thyroid stimulator hormone had been elevated and my T3 was still on the lower side. So there's a conversion issue there. So we're gonna be dropping back on the food. I'm just having now about like 2,600 calories on training days and about 2,450 on rest days. So training day macros, we just dropped the carbs by 25, so I have 190 grams of carbs on training days and 90 grams of fat and then 275 grams of protein. So we just dropped about 25 protein, 25 carbs, kept the fat around the same. Meal one, we got 60 grams of cream of wheat, 400 grams of egg whites, and then 6 grams of coconut oil. For supplements, we got 4 grams of fish oil. We got a multivitamin, a thyroid boost, anti-cortisol, and a glucose disposal agent. Just sipping on some water, and then we got a coffee here. It's 7:20 a.m. now. What I did was I came downstairs, I wrote down my goals, wrote down my targets for the day, wrote down a quote of the day just to keep me on track with what I want to be the focus of the day. Planned out everything out, went into Google Calendar and scheduled out my day, every single hour, what I'm going to be doing. Then I went into meditating, and then I read my affirmations on my wall here. Now I'm going to be reading for 2 hours, and then I'm going to be going straight into client work. I scheduled my haircut appointment, and I might get my eyebrows done today. I'm off work today, so I'm just working on the business today. So I have a bunch of things that I read every single morning just to keep my mind fresh on what my values are, what I want to be operating by. I'm just finishing up this book here, The Success Principles by Jack Canfield. It's a fantastic book. I'll be having my next meal in about an hour and a half, about 9 a.m. Then we're going probably to the library to actually go ahead and do some more work, either that or chapters. 9 a.m. and I'm having meal 2 now, so no carbs in this meal. Next meal will be my pre-workout meal, and then I'll go train. As you probably know, I got Invisalign braces. I just took them out. I've had them for 4 weeks now. I'm probably gonna need them for 6 to 9 months. So, little update. Teeth obviously haven't changed or shifted much. So the reason why I got them was because a few of these teeth were shifting. So you see that split, and this tooth a little bit. Honestly, I think it has honestly improved a little bit, but they put like buttons. You can't really see, but they put little bumps on my teeth, and that's gonna be pushing it and shifting it with the braces. So this is what they look like here. I just have to take them out every time I want to eat, put them on, just slide them on my teeth, and then just eat. But I have to brush my teeth every single time after. It's alright, my teeth are gonna get whiter from it. 190 grams of some pork chops, and we got 200 grams of Thai mixed frozen vegetables. Love using frozen mixed vegetables, real convenient. Just microwave it for 2 minutes, microwave the pork for 1 minute. Had that last night, so just gonna enjoy this. It is 12 o'clock, and we're having our pre-workout meal. It is raining outside, quite the downpour, but we're gonna be having that typical cream of wheat again, just because I love it. There we have it. This is the cream of wheat that I use. This is the egg whites that I use. That's the salt I use. That's the meal we're having right there. 70 grams of cream of wheat, 350 grams of egg whites, 8 grams of coconut oil, and the salt on top for the pump. Use the food scale, as always. Eating this, replying to clients, I'll watch a YouTube video, and then I'm actually going to be doing a little bit of studying. Heading to the gym, might have my eyebrows threaded afterwards. Need to get them done. You can see right there. 1 p.m. now, rain stopped, sun came out, just making my pre and intra-workout shake. Then we're gonna head to the gym. For pre-workout, we got our Allmax Impact Igniter in that same shaker. So I got this at a fitness expo. Bang, it's like twins right there. And then 5 grams of creatine monohydrate also in there, sipping this on the way to the gym. Intra-workout, we got 1.5 liters of water in this big mammoth mug jug. With that, we got 30 grams of carbohydrates from Carbolin and 2 scoops of BCAAs all up in there. Sipping that throughout the workout. See you in the gym. Just got home from the gym and showered. It's 4 p.m. Just having our post-workout meal. For post-workout, we got some roast beef and sweet potato. Just gonna add some salt on that and have a glucose disposal agent, and then we're gonna go straight out. And I have an eyebrow appointment at 4:40 p.m. So eating this up, gonna go straight there, get back, and then go on with the next meal. 5 p.m. Just finished up getting my eyebrows threaded. They're a little irritated, but I'm at the Starbucks now, so I'm gonna go in. I have my laptop, all in work, so I'm gonna get some client work done and then schedule some posts for social media. Then I'll be going home at about 8 p.m. and I'll have my last meal of the night. I gotta wake up at 4 a.m. tomorrow morning for work, so I'm pretty much gonna eat at 8 and then go to sleep when it digests. 8:45, 9 p.m. the latest I'll be asleep. 7:30 p.m. gone home, having our last meal of the night. Gonna sleep in about 1 hour. Got some fried chicken here. This is the last meal. Just gonna eat this and then go to sleep. That's gonna conclude today's vlog. So I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did enjoy it, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe for more vlogs and more informative bodybuilding content. It's my job to make your fat loss and your muscle gain easier. So I'll see you in the next video.